Confused about choosing the best 4K dash cam for a car for daily driving? This video covers the top dash cams with strong night vision, GPS tracking, and smooth video recording. We'll help you pick the right one based on your needs and budget. Let's explore the best options together. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for the best 4K dash cam for car. Let's get started. 1. ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. The ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear gives you clear 4K video from the front and full HD from the rear. The picture looks sharp during the day and still stays clean at night. It uses a Starvis 2 sensor, which helps improve low-light recording. You also get a free 128GB memory card, so you can start using it right out of the box. It also supports 24-hour parking mode. This feature records when your car is parked, giving extra safety. Loop recording and a G sensor are also included. The price of the ROVE R2 4K dash cam is usually between $120 and $160. Verdict: a smart dash cam pick for drivers who want simple use, clear video, and good night recording at a fair price. 2. FAIMEE 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dash cam front and rear. The FAIMEE 4K plus 2K plus 2K 3-channel dash cam front and rear records 3 views at once. You get a 4K front camera and 2 2K cameras for inside and rear. This helps you see everything around your car. It's great for family cars or rideshare drivers. A free 128GB card is also included, so you can start right away. The camera has a wide angle, so it covers more space on the road. It also has night vision, which helps in dark places. The built-in GPS shows your speed and route. You can also use Wi-Fi to send videos to your phone. The app is simple and quick to use. It comes with a G sensor that locks videos during sudden stops. Parking mode also keeps watch when your car is off. The price is around $130 to $180. Verdict: this dash cam is best for people who want to see front, back, and inside views at the same time for full safety. 3. TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear. The TERUNSOUL 4K plus 4K dash cam front and rear records very clear video from both cameras. You get 4K quality on the front and also 4K on the rear. This helps you see small details like cars, numbers, and road signs. A free 128GB memory card comes with it, so you can start using it right away without buying extra storage. The dash cam has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can send videos to your phone fast and watch them anytime. The 3-inch screen is bright and simple to use. The buttons are easy, so even new users can handle them without trouble. It also comes with GPS, which shows your driving speed and route. The wide-angle lens helps capture more of the road, helping you capture more around your car. Parking mode keeps watch when your car is off. It also supports bigger storage up to 512GB. The price is usually between $140 and $170. Verdict: this dash cam is a good choice for drivers who want strong video quality on both cameras and simple daily use. 4. REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam Front Rear F7NP. The REDTIGER 4K Dash Cam Front Rear records clear 4K video from the front and good quality video from the rear. It helps you see cars, road signs, and small details during your drive. A free memory card is included in the box, so you can start using it right away without buying anything extra. This dash cam uses a Starvis 2 sensor, which makes night videos brighter and easier to see. It works well in dark areas and low light. The wide-angle lens shows more of the road, helping you capture more around your car. It also has built-in Wi-Fi, so you can send videos to your phone quickly. GPS is included to show your speed and route. The screen is simple and easy to use. Parking mode keeps watch when your car is off. The price of this dash cam is usually between $130 and $170. Verdict: a nice dash cam option for drivers who want clear night video, simple use, and good safety features every day. 5. FAIMEE A810S 4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear. The FAIMEE A810S 4K Dual Dash Cam Front and Rear gives you sharp 4K video from the front
and clear rear recording. It helps you see the road and cars behind you. The video looks good in both day and night. It uses a Starvis 2 sensor with HDR, so dark scenes look brighter and easier to understand. This dash cam also has smart AI motion detection. It can notice movement around your car and start recording. That is helpful when your car is parked. It has built-in GPS to track your speed and trips. You can also use Wi-Fi to view videos on your phone without any wires. It includes extra features like ADAS, which give alerts while driving. Loop recording keeps saving new clips over old ones. The price is around $170 to $230, so it is a bit higher than basic dashcam models. Verdict: great dashcam for people who want smart features and extra safety tools along with clear video recording. 6. Affver 4K Dashcam Front and Rear. The Affver 4K Dashcam Front and Rear records clear 4K video from the front and good video from the rear. It helps you see cars, roads, and small details during your drive. A 64GB memory card is included, so you can start using it without buying extra storage. It has built-in 5G Wi-Fi, so you can send videos to your phone fast. You can watch clips anytime using the app. The screen is 3.59 inches and easy to read. The buttons and menu are simple, so it's easy for anyone to use. This dashcam also has GPS, which shows your speed and driving path. Night vision helps record better in dark areas. It also comes with a parking mode to watch your car when you are away. The price of this dashcam is around $90 to $140, which is more budget-friendly. Verdict: great dashcam pick for people who want a simple and low-cost dashcam that still records clear video every day.
7. VIOFO A810S Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam. The VIOFO A810S Pro 4K HDR Dash Cam records very clear 4K video from the front and 2K from the rear. The video looks smooth and sharp even when cars move fast. It uses two Starvis 2 sensors, which help make night videos bright and easy to see. This is helpful when driving in dark areas or at night. It also has fast 5 GHz Wi-Fi, so you can send videos to your phone quickly. You can watch or save clips anytime. The dashcam supports voice control, so you can use simple commands while driving. This makes it easy and safe to use. The price is around $250 to $350, so it is more expensive than others. Verdict: this dashcam is best for users who want top video quality, smart control, and strong performance, even if the price is higher.
Which is the best 4K dashcam for a car you should buy? Choosing the right dashcam depends on your needs. ROVE is a great all-around option with clear video and easy use. FAIMEE is best if you want 3 cameras for full coverage. TERUNSOUL gives strong 4K on both front and rear for sharp detail. REDTIGER works well for night driving with brighter footage. 70Mi adds smart features like alerts and motion detection. Affver is a budget-friendly pick with simple controls and decent quality. VIOFO offers the best video quality and premium features but costs more. Pick ROVE for balance, Affver for low cost, or VIOFO for top performance.